For a milestone birthday a while back, we gave my mother a version of this weekend's New to Lou 2. Having just been fortunate enough to spend a week with her last week out on the East Coast, I realized all these years later what a staple it's become in her life. Because since they actually drove out east, she actually put it in her car and brought it with her. By now, you might have heard of a Vitamix. If not, it's a high-powered, high-speed blender known for its ability to blend a variety of ingredients into smooth or textured consistencies. It's a kitchen appliance that can handle just about everything from smoothies and soups to nut butters, even hot soups, often replacing the need for multiple appliances. It also has a pretty hefty price tag, which may turn a lot of people away, but I wanted to take just a minute to tell you why it just might be worth the investment. As my mother has aged and her life has changed, she's trying to really simplify her everyday life, right? She makes less meals since us kids are out of the house. She's downsized, so doesn't have room for all the extra appliances like the ice cream machine we have on our counter. And she's on more of a budget, yet she still wants to eat healthy. In her Vitamix 5200 countertop blender, she makes everything from daily smoothies with whatever fresh or frozen fruits and veggies she has in her fridge to hot soups, not from a can, so that none of that processed stuff gets in there, and she gets to control the sodium level. These things are the Cadillacs of blenders. I don't care what anyone says. They are built to last. I know I've had mine going on about 10 years now, my mom for 5 years, and the motor and those blades, they just keep going. Vitamix offers countertop blenders, immersion blenders, food processors, in my opinion, worth the upfront cost for long-term savings and long-time health. The Vitamix immersion blenders start around $129 and the countertop blenders around $350 and up from there.
For more information, check out the HouseSmarts YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe.